Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will study about ARP. Full form of ARP is Address Resolution Protocol, and this protocol is used for mapping a logical address to physical address. As we know that the delivery of a packet to a host or a router requires two levels of addressing: logical address and physical address. Now we will see how this protocol ARP works. Suppose there is a host or a router and it has an IP datagram to send to another host or router. Now this host or router, it has the logical address of the receiver, right? It has the logical address, that is the IP address of the receiver, but it does not have the physical address of the receiver, right? So in this case what it does, what this host or router will do, then this host or router, this sender, it will broadcast an ARP query packet over the network to know the physical address of the receiver, right? And this ARP query packet will include the physical and IP addresses of the sender and the IP address of the receiver, right? So what happens, every host and router on the network will receive and process the ARP query packet, and the intended recipient will recognize its IP address and it will send back an ARP response packet, right? It will send back an ARP response packet, and this response packet will contain the recipient's IP and physical addresses, right? And what happens, this ARP response packet is unicast directly to the inquirer, right? So what happens, this ARP request is broadcast, right? An ARP request is broadcast and an ARP reply is unicast, right? So in this way the sender can find the physical address of the receiver, right, by using ARP.